bacon fat wash, tobacco smoked old fashioned in honor of Father's Day. Welcome back to Campfire Cocktails. My dad doesn't drink, so I thought, what does he like? He loves tobacco and he loves bacon. So we made a drink inspired by that. I'm not a father, I'm a dog dad. This is Theo. Hi, Theo. Today we're here with High Camp Flask. They're one of the best Father's Day gifts. You've got a dad that has everything. This is what you want. The small, the medium, large. We're gonna be using the medium size today. This is a 375 milliliter with the magnetic cup. I threw it back in my kitchen and made a bacon fat wash. All right, once you've made your bacon and sampled the goods, you wanna take 2 ounces of bacon fat, toss it in your mason jar, then fill the rest with your bourbon of choice. Take that, give it a little good shake. Let this sit at room temperature for an hour, and then we're gonna pop it in the freezer so those fats can separate.
24 hours later.
So as you can tell, this fat has solidified. First things first, we're gonna take this fat layer off the top. You can use a coffee filter, you can use a cheesecloth. I'm gonna use this fine mesh coffee filter strainer. I'm gonna throw this beautiful bacon fat wash bourbon into our firelight. And this is ready for our old fashioned or to drink straight. All right, welcome back. We have our bacon fat washed bourbon in this flask right here. This should provide a really full, savory taste to our bourbon. Now, all we have to do is make an old fashioned out of it. So we want 2 full ounces of our bacon fat washed bourbon. So normally with an old fashioned, we need a little bit of a sweetener. Kind of going with a breakfast theme here. So just a little bar spoon of a Pappy's barrel aged maple syrup. Next up, we need our bitters. Today we're gonna go with some orange bitters, a classic, few dashes there. Then here's where we're gonna get a little bit funky. We're gonna use some tobacco bitters. These are Turkish tobacco bitters. 2 good dashes there. Pay the ice cube tax to the dog. Now we're just gonna add our ice into our mixing glass. All right, give it a stir. We're gonna strain this out. Now you could stop there, but this is Campfire Cocktails and we like to have a little fun. Grab your little smoking kit. So next up, we're gonna add just a pinch of pipe tobacco. Grab your torch. And there you have it, a bacon fat wash, tobacco smoked old fashioned.